From its sculpted curves to its cockpit details, every element of the E-Type is worth exploring. Let's click through and see what makes it so unforgettable. Under the bonnet, E.C.D gives E-Type clients options. We offer the beloved GM V8 6.2-liter LS3 and LT1 engines, which offer an unmistakable growl. We also offer the V12 rebuilt and upgraded to roughly 400 horsepower if you are more of a purist. In its day, the E-Type could top 150 miles per hour, astonishing for the 1960s. It wasn't just admired for its beauty, it was admired for its ability to move with grace, pace, and poise. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends heritage with refinement. The OEM-style dash recalls the original design, complete with a center panel of polished light switches, windshield wiper toggles, and those iconic metal AC vents. Overhead, sun visors frame the view of the road ahead, while a classic Jaguar metal ashtray sits neatly in its place. The OEM Series 3 seats bring comfort and period authenticity, while your hands rest on a premium E-Type wooden steering wheel framed by mole bomber gauges that keep tradition alive. Behind you, the cargo area adds surprising practicality, perfect for a weekend getaway bag. Though true to its heritage, the E.C.D E-Type doesn't shy away from modern conveniences. Discreet touches like USB connections and a touchscreen stereo with Bluetooth and CarPlay ensure that every drive feels effortless. This isn't just a car, it's a way of life. Pull up to a cafe and conversations begin before you even step out. Join a weekend rally, share stories with fellow enthusiasts, or simply take the long way home. The E-Type creates opportunities to live more fully, more stylishly.